Hey guys, it's Jake. In this video, I'll be explaining how to make great mockups for your clothing brand. The first method is to simply go to Google and search things like cream blank shirt or black hoodie back and stuff like that. Save those images or screenshot them and upload them into Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or whatever graphic design software you use, and place your graphics on top of them. This is very easy to do and gives a rough idea what your final garments will look like. I don't recommend using these for website shots or social media posts. The second method is to find a shirt blank you like and screenshot those product shots. You could also just find one garment style and take screenshots of all the colorways and just use those to be consistent. The third method is to buy the clothing blanks or cut and sewn garments and take pictures of them. You'd then save this blank file, Photoshop it as you please, and reuse it for all of your projects. Good example of this would be Shady Blanks. It's the same hoodie, just Photoshop different colors. The fourth method is to download an already created mockup pack that's done all the work for you. The only one I really know of is from Reenostudios. They have a bunch of package bundles for all kinds of projects, and they've been used by names like Justin Bieber, The Weeknd, Trippie Redd, Dennis Rodman, and more. Use code SEEKS15 to get 15% off your entire order. And those are 4 ways you can start creating your own clothing mockups. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something new. Comment down below if you have any questions, and check out my brands. They're pretty cool. See ya.